Today I'm going to do a try-on haul of a new growing Swedish brand called Naked. And for each item I try on, I'm going to number them so that you can tell me if I should keep it or return it because I don't know. For context, I'm going to visit one of my best friends who's Swedish in her hometown of Stockholm, and I figured when in Sweden, do as the Swedes do. So I decided to buy some clothes from this new cool Swedish brand. My friend already got me into COS and Acne, and I know how they're really well known for quality clothes, so I wanted to check out this new brand to see if they match up. Before I try on the clothes, I wanted to walk through some of the things I learned about them from their site. So first, they do a lot of influencer programs, but I noticed that on the site, they'll sometimes say premium quality on those products. But then when I looked at the fabric, it actually wasn't that good. Luckily on their website, it says that you can search by fabric. So I looked for linen, cotton, and the only caveat is that sometimes it said that something was cotton, but then I'd actually look at what the material was and it'd be less than 50% cotton. So I had to make sure to check the quality of material for every single product that I got. The other cool thing about their website is some of their cotton is certified organic, where they actually track where the cotton came from back to the original farm. That way they can confirm that it's actually organic. In fact, Naked has a goal that by 2030, 100% of their products have organic, recycled, or low impact materials. I hope more brands do this. So for today, all the items I try on, I double check that they have good quality material that will last. Now for the try-on, I'm not sure which I'm gonna keep and which I'm gonna return, so please, I've numbered them all. Let me know in the comments which you think should pack in my carry-on or which I should say, nope, not for me. And for my petite viewers, I got the cropped pants, and they actually are the perfect length. So make sure to measure the inseam, and if you're a petite, maybe cropped will work for you. This one I think looks a little bit like a Star Wars character who was sent to work in a paper bag. And the best part, this whole order cost me $200. Let me know which to keep in return, and if you're interested in these products, I put links in the description. And if you don't know me, my name is Kristen Van Nest, and I am a comedian, and living in LA, I am surrounded by trendsetters, and my goal is to teach you how to recreate popular looks, find quality clothes, and make the most out of the wardrobe you currently have. That way you can participate in new trends without breaking the bank or having to buy fast fashion junk. If you want to see how these looked on my trip, definitely follow. I will post some videos of me wearing these outfits in Sweden. And let me know if there's any other brands you want me to test out.